What it do, everybody, and welcome back to the review block. And today we got ourselves a little bit of a review and comparison video of these two on wireless headphones from Walmart. Both cost about the same 20 bucks each. Well, let's see what it do with these pair today on the review block. Hey, what it do, guys? Welcome back to the review block, and we're here to check these guys out. What it do, man? So these I've already had for a little while. These are the first pair, the very first gen of these, I guess you would say. Wireless on Groove headphones, IPX5, 15 hours total playtime. Boxing all about the same. So let's take them out to see what it is. You get some gel tips. You get the same usual what you usually get, medium, large, and small. Buds. You get a micro USB plug too, but I think I lost that one already. But I got plenty of those. Yeah. Micro USB, plain black. It's got like 3 LEDs to display how much power they got. I believe one on each side will glow when they're being charged. There you go. And that's what they look like on the inside. Let's pop them out, what these guys look like. These guys were a little hard to take out of the case. A bit chunky. Some chunk on those. It's chunky. It's fat with a P. And these don't have touch control. These actually have buttons. So these I haven't used in a while, so I have to rehook these back up to my phone. It's actually going pretty good. Those look okay. There's some design differences. Let's see what the design differences is with these guys. So these are the updated version of those. Wireless charging earphones. Let's see what it say. 20 hours. That's what they upgraded on those. So instead of get 5 more hours of playtime, IPX5. Nothing changed there. What does it say? 33 feet of playtime. 33 feet of playtime. So 33 feet of distance to play. And you get a USB-C. You get a micro USB with this one. 3 sets of ear tips. This one says you get 4 silicone ear tips and 1 pair of foam tips, which is that's pretty dang good. That's another upgrade they did. Let's see, these on a single play, the original ones were 4 hours of playtime, and these are actually 6 hours of playtime. IPX5, earbuds individually connect to each other. Same thing here, touch controls, not touch controls here. High definition sound and deep bass and clear treble. All right, in-ear, these have what? They're claiming in-ear detection on these. What? Already an upgrade from these guys, so enough talking, let's open them up. What do we got? I think these I have hooked up to my phone. Here's the jellies. Here's a USB. There you go. On branded USB-C. Can you see it on there? It's on branded. So we got USB-C. About usual. 3 feet. See what kind of ear tips we get with this. Oh yeah, you get some foam ones in there. And some 4 jellies. 4 jellies. 1 pair of foams. Pretty cool. Pretty generous of them, if I do say so myself, for 20 bucks. Already much smaller than the other ones. See those? Chunk Master Flex. What we got here? We got USB-C. There you go. USB-C. Can you see that? There you go. USB-C. What do these look like? These have in-ear detection. I'm curious how that works. So you pop these guys out. Ooh, much smaller than the other ones. Yeah, there. Those are those. Let's pull these out. Let's pull one of each out. See if we can see how the Chunk Master Flex are on there. Well, they're about kind of the same thickness, huh? Just this stem sticks out more than the new ones. I think it's a more ergonomic fit. That's what it is. See that too? More ergonomically designed to fit there into your ear. Cool, cool, cool. Both magnetic. This actually has a magnetic closure. This one does not. This one actually has to clip in a little bit. Look here. Clip in. Let's see. Let's try out some of these. Let's try the old ones out first. Pull out the foam. Let's pop them in. Let's pop one in there. You see that one? Just pop this guy in there. Now I got some big ass ears, but these feel big in my ear already. Well, this is some music. Here we go. Okay. Pretty bassy, pretty bassy. These are actually pretty good. There's no touch control. That's not the end of the world. Doable for 20 bucks. In a bind. If I need them, if I need a pair. Now let's try the new pairs. The updated versions of those guys. How loud are they? Are they the same? There's Bluetooth connected. Ooh, when I popped them in, it made that sound like the AirPods. That doom. Let's see if I pop them out. Yeah, makes that sound. Pretty cool. A little light there, the charging. Oh, they look already. They look okay. Already look small. You can't really see them on my head right now, huh? Pretty small, huh? Got a big head, Freddy, though. Let's see if the ear detection works. Let's take one out. Ah, it works. So I did pause the song right now when I took it out. Pop it back in. Will it restart the song? It does not restart the song. Let's see, push on the side. Touch controls. There you go. Did it work on this side too? Oh, I just figured out how they were able to make these $20 and have touch control and ear detection. So, yeah, they're touch control. See, they're touch control. You see the touch control? But only this one actually is touch control. This one doesn't have anything on it. You can't even push play or anything on this one. Let's see what. See how it's. See it's playing? Okay, pause it. So theoretically, if you push this one, it should work, right? Nothing. Nothing, dude. Wow. Well, you know what? Good on them. They figured out how to make it cheap. 20 bucks, dude. 20 bucks for these headphones. Sorry, I had an itchy, scratchy eye. But yeah, 20 bucks for these headphones. I mean, they do sound good. These, I wouldn't say are as loud as the OGs. They're not as loud as these guys, but these have a different sound. These have a more, like, what would you say, a more dynamic sound. It's just got just as much bass as these, but a much clearer bass, not overpowered bass. These get loud. These get so loud I have to turn them down so I don't blow out my ears. But yeah, look, these are very cool, very cool. These are worth it, dude. If you're gonna get some replacement, you need something in a bind. I broke my good pair of headphones. You buy a pair of these guys. These guys or these guys. I don't think they have these anymore. These are probably all sold out. These are probably like old news already. So they probably don't have these guys in the marketplace anymore. But if you go to the store, if you go to Walmart, you need something in a bind, they got these two. And I'm sure these are $19.99 still. They might still be $19.99. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can check them out on the Walmart.com website. But yeah, these are solid. These are solid. These are very pocketable. Put them anywhere. I think I had it in my pocket for like a week. I forgot they were there, and they almost got washed in my jacket. But I would say definitely get them. You know, and that's kind of like a little comparison of what, you know, what Walmart can do for 20 bucks. Walmart don't care. Walmart will lose a buck to make a buck. These are pretty good though. But yeah, if you're gonna get one or the other, get these. Bam. All right, one more thing we gotta test. One thing we need to test. We need to put these on, and we need to call Debo. See how good the call quality is. We'll try both of them out. Hopefully she's not too busy. Let's call Debo once again. Calling Debo and see what she's got on R40. What it do? Is this Debo? What you got on my 40, bro? I'm testing these other headphones out. How do they sound? These sound okay? They sound clear? Ah, a slight echo, like I sound like I'm in the bathroom, huh? Not as clear. Not as clear as the ones I called you from earlier, huh? Ah, but still doable? Still good for a call? Still doable for a call? Just not as good. Okay. Now I'm going to call you back on another pair and tell me how those sound. Take those guys out. Take these guys out. Yes, Bluetooth is connected. See which one sound. I'm curious to find out which one sounds better. Hey, Debo, what's it sound like now? Test, Taco Bell, Taco Bell. What it do, 125282s could do. What it do? Ah, they sound a little different to you, huh? Ah, these might have some cheaper mics, probably. These are like, yeah, these are like older versions of the ones I called you from earlier. So they're like the Generation 1. So, could you still make a call with these if you had to? You can still make a call? But you get a little digital echo in there. Okay. I see. Haha, everybody say bye to Debo. Bye. Bye, baby. All right. I kind of like calling her now. Like this, she will tell me the truth. So everybody knows Debo is my girlfriend. It's not the black guy from Friday. So she said, these have more of an echo sound than these, but still an echo sound. You still get something out of them. So, I mean, she said still doable, still usable for a call. These sound worse than these. These sound better than these. So either way, they don't sell these anymore. They do sell these. You know, now you kind of know the differences. They still didn't, I don't think they still didn't upgrade the mics on the new versions. They had to cut corners somewhere, and that's probably what they did. And this has been a comparison video of these guys. So now you know what to expect. Hey, but this is your first time checking out the review block and you enjoyed the content you've just seen, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below. Commenting is very important because I just randomly pick a random person at random to receive some headphones because I have so many TWS. But make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys are sharing this with your friends. And from me and the review block, and of course Debo. We'll see you guys on the next review. What it do, guys?